So personal injury cases all revolve around a single word. That word is negligence. And today we're going to talk about what that word means and why it's very important to your case. Negligence simply means that somebody acted in a way that they aren't supposed to under the law. It's not an intentional action, it's an action where they made a mistake. That's why we call it an accident, because it's not intentional, it's something that they didn't necessarily want to do or mean to do, but nonetheless it happened. There are 4 legal elements when it comes to defining negligence. And what that means is just the legal act of negligence is made up of 4 different parts. The first part that makes up a negligence claim is some kind of a duty of care. A duty of care just means that somebody owes you a certain obligation. So for example, when you're driving a car and you have the right of way, the other person owes you a duty not to run into you. So if you're parked at a stop sign, the person coming behind you owes you a duty not to rear end you. The second element is breach of duty. So in my prior example, you were parked at a stop sign and somebody came up behind you. So that person, when they hit you, when you're legally parked at a stop sign, they've breached that duty of care. They've breached their requirement not to hit somebody who's stationary at a stop sign. The third element of negligence is causation. So in some cases this is difficult, other times it's easy. What it means is that the other person caused your harm, or it is only because of their behavior that your vehicle was damaged or that you were injured, and so their failure of care, their failure to act according to their legal duty caused you harm. And the final element is damages. So if you get hit in a car accident, somebody else hits you, but they're going very slow, and so there's body damage to your car, but you're not terribly injured, then you may not have enough damages to be able to prosecute a personal injury case. Conversely, sometimes you can be injured in very bad ways. You know, we've had clients who have broken arms or legs. We've had clients who have had to have body parts amputated. We've had clients who have had brain trauma. So those are kind of big damages and important to be able to show the insurance company that you are actually harmed as a result of the unlawful behavior of someone else. So it's important that you have good legal counsel to help you to be able to frame these 4 elements of negligence: a duty of care, breach of the duty, causation, and damages. Attorneys can really help you to be able to identify those things, and really it's not to help you, but it's to help the insurance company of the person who injured you, so that they can clearly see that it's their client's fault and that they should pay you what you deserve because of the accident. Car accident cases, wrongful death, slip and fall injuries, dog bite cases, they all surround this legal idea of negligence, where it's somebody else's fault and that is the cause of the harm to you. And so if you're injured in an accident and it's not your fault, we would love to help you.